Hey everyone, did you know that your device could be under attack right now? Let's break down the different types of malware and how you can protect yourself. First up, we have viruses. These sneak onto your device and can multiply just like a cold. They often come from downloading sketchy files. Next, there's ransomware. This is the bad guy that locks your files and demands a ransom to get them back. Always back up your data, just in case. Then, we've got Adware. This pest bombards you with annoying ads. It may not be dangerous, but it's super annoying. And don't forget about spyware. This sneaky malware spies on your activities and steals your info without you knowing. Yikes! So how do you protect yourself? Here are my top tips. 1. Install antivirus software. It's your first line of defense. 2. Keep your software updated. Those updates patch vulnerabilities. 3. Be cautious with links and downloads. If it looks sketchy, it probably is. What malware have you encountered? Comment below. Let's share our stories and keep each other safe. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful.